what's up guys? It's Jason from Grill Your Ass Off.
I'm Paul from Grill Your Ass Off.
Today, what are we cooking, Paul?
Birria tacos.
So we have all of our ingredients here. Paul's gonna start knocking out, de-seeding some of these peppers right here. We have ancho peppers, we have guajillo peppers, we have chili de arbol peppers right here. You wanna take your seeds out. As he's doing that, we already have our garlic cloves set up. We have a half a cinnamon stick, our Willie Pete chicken seasoning. We have our onion rough chopped, and we have 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes. Once you get all of your seeds done, we're gonna head right over to the stove top and get them nice and toasted. All right guys, so we have our pan set up right here. We're gonna take some canola oil, add this in. As it gets nice and warm, we're gonna add all of our chilies in to toast these and bring them back to life. As we get nice and hot, we wanna make sure that we turn these peppers over and get a nice rehydration and a little bit of heat on all the sides. All right guys, we got our pot right here for our vegetables. We're gonna go ahead, first thing, add just a little bit of canola oil inside there, and then Paul's gonna throw in some onion. Again, you can leave this as a rough chop because we're all gonna throw it inside the blender. We're gonna soften that onion up, get it nice, start to caramelize on that. Once you get the caramelization, then we will come back and throw the tomatoes inside the pot, add the rest of our ingredients before the blender. All right guys, once your onions start to soften up and get some color on them, we're gonna throw our tomatoes in. We're gonna let this go for about another 2-3 minutes on high. All right guys, now that we have this cooked down, we're gonna go ahead and add all of our chilies so we can slowly start to rehydrate them. As well, we're gonna add in our Willie Pete chicken seasoning. Remember, all the ingredients are below. Our apple cider vinegar. And our cinnamon stick, 1/2. Get this nice mixture going. We're gonna let this go for about another 5 minutes before it goes inside the blender. All right guys, we got a large pot. We're gonna throw some oil in the bottom of it and get this stuff rolling. Paul's gonna be putting in our chuck roast and then our beef short ribs. Piling on right on top, we're gonna go ahead and take this beautiful mixture right here. Get it rolling on top of all that beautiful meat. We're gonna go ahead and add a generous amount of our standard issue salt and pepper.